In this tutorial, I'm going to try to complete 10 tasks in less time it would take to contact the person that manages your website. In the first part, I will focus on site-wide changes. Then I'll move on to the contact form, document uploads, adding FAQs, creating an event, and adding a new secure area user group. I'll need to use the admin panel, so I'll log on. Next, I'll open the public website. Click View Site. The public website will open in a new tab. My task is to change a menu name. In this case, I want to rename Accessibility Statement to Accessibility. I'll switch back to the admin panel. Select Content Editor, then click Accessibility Statement to edit the page. Change the menu title, and then save. Switch back to the Public Website tab and refresh the page using F5 on your keyboard or by using the browser refresh icon. The menu has now updated. Next, I'll edit the main bureau name. I'll switch back to the admin panel, but this time I'll choose Site Config, as the bureau name features on every page. I'm going to change the name to Demo Citizens Advice District, which I'll enter here. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and press Update Site. Now we'll return to the public website. Remember to refresh this page, otherwise the changes will not be visible. I'll check a few other pages. The name is updated site-wide. My next task is to add a new advice line phone number to the top of every page. Let's return to the admin panel Site Config. In this case, I want to keep the old phone number too. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and press Update Site. Then, return to the public website, remembering to refresh the page, otherwise the changes will not be visible. I'll check a few other pages. The phone information has been updated on every page. Time to move on to the Contact Us pages. As a website has an email advice section, I've been asked to remove the email contact form from the Southwick District Citizens Advice contact page. Let's switch back to the admin panel. Now click Bureaus to edit bureau and outreach address, contact and opening hours. To remove the contact form, simply remove the contact form email and leave it blank. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Page. Now return to the public website. Remember to refresh the page, otherwise the changes will not be visible. The contact form has gone. To restore, return to the admin panel Bureaus and enter an email address. Scroll to the bottom of the page and save. Go back to the public site, refresh. The contact form is now enabled again. Time to add a new bureau. Heath Southwick Citizens Advice Bureau is closing temporarily. Advice will be given from a local library for the meantime. Let's switch back to the admin panel, check your own bureau and choose New Bureau. I'll enter the new information. Click Add Bureau. Now return to the public website
remembering to refresh the page, otherwise the changes will not be visible. The new bureau is displayed at the top. A map mark has automatically been added. I noticed a typo, so I'll amend that. I've also been asked to change East Southwick Citizen Advice Bureau contact information due to its temporary closure, and change the display order so it appears at the bottom of the contact page for now. As West Southwick Citizen Advice Bureau is now the main bureau, I've been asked to move that to the top.
I'll switch back to the admin panel. Check your own bureau. First, I'll deal with changing the display order. Simply left-click over the handle and drop in the desired order. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and press Save Page. Now I will amend the typo, so click Edit on the Southwick Library location, correct the mistake, and then save. Now, click Edit on the East Southwick location and I'll make some changes there. Next, save the changes and return to the public website. Refresh the page and check the changes. Now Contact Us is finished, I'll be uploading a document. My task is to upload a 2012 financial statement PDF and a Word document about volunteering. Firstly, click the tab for the public website and open the Reports and Statements page. I'll take a quick look around. The 2012 financial statement PDF can go under the Annual Reports category, but there is no suitable category for the volunteering document, so it looks like I have to create that too. Let's head back to the admin panel by clicking the tab. As there's already a category for annual reports, I've decided to upload the financial statement first. Click Documents to access the Document Manager. As our demo uses two document modules, I'll check I'm editing the correct page, Reports and Statements. I can change the menu title and the main page title, but they look fine for now. The text in the header isn't very inspiring, so I'll do something about that too. But for now, scroll down to the Document Manager section above the footer and I'll start to upload the document. Firstly, I'll select the category, in this case Annual Report. Next, I'll give the document a name. Now I'll begin the upload process. Click Browse and locate the file on your computer, then click Open. The file will upload. I'll return to the public website to check. Remember to refresh the page to see the changes. I can see the document uploaded successfully, but I'm not happy with the display order. It's not very logical, so I guess I'll fix that. I'll head back to the admin panel. Scroll down until you reach the Document Edit panel for Annual Report. You can view the original document or delete it from the system. You can also change the display order by dragging the icon with your mouse. In this case, the 2014 statement should be moved to the top. Now, I'll quickly do something about the header. I can't spend long, so I've decided to disable it for now. I can always add content later. If the introduction and footer text is empty, they won't display on the public website. I'm going to save the changes, then head back to the public website, remembering to refresh the page as always. The headers are gone, and the sort order is correct. Now back to the admin panel to add the last document. Now I'm going to add a new category called Information for Volunteers. Click Add Category. Now scroll back down to the Upload section just above the footer. Now I will repeat the same process I used to upload the first document, only this time I don't have to worry about sort order, as this category will only house one document. Select an upload category, enter the document title, browse for the file on your computer, press open, then click upload. Now back to the public website, refresh the page and the new category and document appear. The system automatically displays the correct icon for the document type, in this case PDF. Now I'm going to add a question and answer to the FAQ page. On our demo site, we use an FAQ page to demonstrate an alternative About Us format. We created a quick page by adding header and footer content. The FAQ sits in the middle. I'm going to add a new question and answer set under the Visiting Us section. I'll do this with the admin panel. Click the FAQ tab. Just like documents, we use two FAQ modules in the demo, so I'll check I'm going to edit the correct one, About Us. Here is the header content, which is edited using the familiar toolbar. Scroll lower until you reach the FAQ Manager section. I'm going to add the new set to Visiting Us. Notice the same drag and drop for display order as covered earlier. Now scroll down, type or paste the question and answer set, then press Add Question, return to the public site About Us, refresh, and the job's done. Now I'm going to add an event. I've received an email with suitable text and an image. On the public site, choose Events. At the moment, there's only a test event which I'll need to edit or delete, so I'm off to the admin panel. This time, click Publish and then select Events. I've decided to edit this event. I could drag it to the waste bin and create a new event, but I'll recycle this. I'm going to delete the image and replace the text and title. Now to add a title. Paste in text for content using Ctrl+V. And now an image. I'll use the image I prepared in the image resizing and optimization video to see how it looks on a live site. I'll try a few different positions and sizes. Finally, I'll update the article and then head back to the public site, remembering to refresh the page. Well, the event is published, but it could do with a few more minutes to adjust the design and add a little styling. I'll have to leave that for later, as I have an outstanding task, which is to add a new group to the secure area. I'll head back to the admin panel and choose the Secure Area tab. Currently, the secure area has 5 different groups. The checkboxes indicate who a group may send posts and messages. On this site, the secure area is set up so a trustee may only share posts and messages with the CEO user. The management team may share posts and messages with everyone except the trustees. Groups can be deleted and added. I'll add a new group for caseworkers. Firstly, I'll add a new group name, then enter a password. Now repeat the password, and then save. That was successful. I see the new checkbox for caseworkers has appeared. If I scroll down, the new group should be there. I'll set up the permissions as instructed, and then save.
Well, I managed to complete my 10 tasks in less than 15 minutes. Thank you for watching.